5.2 billion shillings. And at the business docket, industry leaders, investors and stakeholders from Asia, Africa and Europe have increasingly advocated for sustainable business practices as a key driver of long-term success and economic growth. Speaking during the second CEO Conclave and Investors Dinner hosted by the newly rebranded Africa, Asia, Middle East Chamber of Commerce in Nairobi, the stakeholders highlighted that by embracing sustainability, businesses can mitigate a wide range of risks, from resource depletion and climate change to the pressures of evolving regulations. Listen in.
Nations tend to come together and open up to one another primarily through travel. And with the aviation sector opening up, with Air Asia now coming to Kenya directly from Kuala Lumpur, it means that we're opening up trade, we're opening up tourism and hospitality, and we're opening up other such opportunities.
The issues that really matter into the economies that we represent.
You have certainly heard about the war in Congo, corruption, poverty, but what you have probably not been taught is that for almost a decade, the DRC has been moving toward the path of emergence.
Private investment law in Angola provides certain guarantees to protect investors, particularly in terms of ownership, in terms of capital brought into the country, in terms of facilities, and in terms of investment process.
That franchising is a great tool in the entrepreneur's toolbox. Right? So an entrepreneur can use franchising to grow his or her business, which is really significant. But tonight I want to just take this to another level and say, actually, international franchising is a powerful tool in a nation's economic toolbox.
Coming up in the world of sports,